In this video, I'll show you how to make a balloon gift box. I'm Travel Blackman. Let's jump into it. You will need 12 11-inch balloons, 4 to 60 Q, a balloon inflator, and a hand pump. We're going to inflate the 11-inch balloon to about 7 inches. Tie these two balloons together to create a duplet. For this gift box, we would have to create 4 of them at this size. Now we are going to create 2 duplets at about 4 inches. Use these duplets to create quads, and to do so we are going to wrap them together. We'll now inflate our 260 Q balloons. It's going to be inflated with just about 1 inch left to the tail. And like the 11-inch balloons, we are going to create a duplet with each pair. And then a quad. Now let's assemble our box. We are going to start with the large quad, one of the large quad. Place the small quad on top and pull it below one of the large balloons and back up to the top. And we're going to do this to the next large quad. We're going to take one of the small balloons and pull it over one of the large balloons. Now this is nice and tight. It's not going to fall apart. We'll now take our long balloons and wrap it around our structure like a ribbon. So we're going to wrap it nice and tight and twist the balloon to the top to lock it in place. Now we are going to take the ends of two of them and tie them together. And now where the tie is made, we're going to push it down to the center and twist it to create a bow. And we have our gift. If you enjoy this video, do leave us a like and a comment. If you have not subscribed to our channel as yet, click on the subscribe button and bell so as to receive notifications for whenever we upload videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.